Starting around 30 July 2023, AMP fundamentally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.62% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, or so they in every practical sense thought. AMP really hasn't in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $98,872,766. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,593,946 in a genuinely large manner. This certainly makes AMP positioning at 198 in the cryptographic money market in a truly significant manner. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP for the most part be worth in 2023? Or so they fundamentally thought. Is AMP an essentially wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023? In a for the most part significant manner, will AMP cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, which generally is very critical? These generally are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future. AMP value forecast 2023. As per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.003, the normal truly least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to explicitly be $0.003, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In addition, AMP can sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.003. AMP value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of AMP basically is supposed to truly be at around a very least of $0.002 in a sort of enormous manner. AMP cost can arrive at a limit of $0.003, with the sort of typical cost of $0.002 in United States dollars, showing how truly is AMP a very wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, in an exceptionally large manner. AMP value expectation August 2023. The cost of AMP especially is really anticipated to generally reach at a sort of least worth of $0.002 in August 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The AMP cost could sort of arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.003, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.003 all through 2023, or so they truly thought. AMP value expectation September 2023. The cost for AMP in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.003 and $0.003, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.003, which certainly is genuinely huge. AMP value forecast October 2023. The cost of AMP fundamentally is essentially anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.003 in October 2023. Amazingly, the AMP cost could generally arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $0.003, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 all through 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. AMP value figure November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may especially arrive at an especially least worth of $0.003, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $0.003. Incredibly, the truly normal cost for AMP generally is for the most part anticipated to reach $0.003 in November 2023. AMP value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of AMP in every practical sense is certainly anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.003, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.003 and a really least of $0.003. AMP past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been especially diminished by 0.77% in its most certainly current worth, or so they basically thought. Assuming we truly analyze the sort of current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap most certainly is additionally down, which in a real sense is very critical. From in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days the AMP basically was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 11.76%. Showing how this truly makes AMP certainly positioning at 198 in the digital money market, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP essentially has shown exceptionally areas of strength for lovely potential of late. And this could be somewhat great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, which especially is genuinely critical. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP truly diminished by 41.465%, dispensing with an astounding especially normal amount of $0.002 from its kind of current worth, showing how these generally are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future.amp value forecast 2023. As per the AMP figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the AMP cost especially is supposed to in every practical sense cross a by and large normal value level of $0.003, the normal extremely least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a fundamentally decent for the most part purchase, a potential open door for speedy venture, showing how these certainly are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future.amp value expectation 2023, as per the AMP gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the AMP cost really is supposed to essentially cross a kind of normal value level of $0.003, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to in a real sense be $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 52.12%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a very least lovely typical cost of $0.005 to by and large greatest especially normal cost of $0.005, in the kind of beyond 90 days truly in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP basically is somewhere near 24.71%, with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin, in a real sense was around $0.003, and the base kind of typical cost of truly was around $0.003 in beyond 4 months, showing how the truly normal cost for AMP essentially is generally anticipated to reach $0.003 in November 2023, in a kind of large way. AMP value estimate 2023 facts. What will truly be AMP by and large worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? The AMP cost truly is gauged to especially arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0.003, with truly least cost of $0.003, toward the finish of 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Does AMP generally have a future, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? As far as value, AMP essentially has an extraordinary potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, which truly is very critical. It generally is gauged that AMP will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way. As per explicit specialists and business experts, AMP can for the most part stirred things up around town of the greatest cost of